Wow. Well, how's that for timing? Hello, everybody. Love you all. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm guessing you're pretty thankful that you're not in my oven. All right, what up? Yeah, it's a nice day. And hello. Yeah, lots to be thankful for. Screaming goats is not one of them. But picking tomatoes this time of year after, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of freezing nights and all that good stuff. Give them little blankets. But, other than that, there actually, believe it or not, was there's still a living basil. Or two. There was one in that bed too. Let's see. I have no clue. But I guess we'll find out. Ow! Oops. I tripped. Somewhere. Who cares? It don't matter. It's warm enough to go barefoot and get some pretty get some yard work done. All sorts of cleanup going on around here. Not that you could tell, right? I think I'm going to just let the leaves stay. Like normally I'd mow them and mulch them. But yeah, I'm going to let them stay this year. See what happens. I already got my tomatoes planted for next year. Let's just put all the seeds and clippings from my tomatoes under the straw. So when the time is right, that will have reduced, composted to soil. Well, hello, kitties. And there'll be 100 tomato plants. But yeah, it's pretty much the end of, summer stuff. But that's all right, because I got, winter, spring stuff. Columbine's time, lavender's doing all right. Mints, wormwoods, I'm still harvesting, believe it or not. And it's time to start digging up valerian roots and echinacea roots to mix with the other tinctures. I gave her a nice haircut last night. Bye-bye, Fig. We'll see you next year. Have a good rest. But yeah, here's a long-ass year. That's all I gotta say. Hello, Katie. Aw, Joopy. You always want to get under my feet. It was a long year. And lots of tests. Oh, let's see how the lemongrass is. Lemongrass is still green. Unbelievable. Well, I'm going to keep you covered up because we got lots of 20s nights coming in. Hello, Miss Venus. Been a long year. I learned a lot, and for that, I am super thankful. I would love to hear what you're thankful for as well. Oh, look at fennel coming back already. That's cool. So yeah, it was super difficult. Definitely one of, hey, get out of my bed. Marmalade. I love you. Out. Thank you. No, I just said, what the fuck? You don't understand. All right, dude. You don't get to do that. Grass. Yeah. Where was I? Look at those pretty dandelions. I picked a few this morning. I might as well pick these too. Definitely something to be grateful for, right? Free medicine. Yeah, so toughest year. Holy moly, really? Still gonna get some strawberries. Amazing. I love it. Wow. Blooming strawberries. It's freezing cold. Yep, see? Yeah. What am I thankful for? Of course, the fact that I am here doing what I love to do, surrounded by love, peace, abundance everywhere I look. I'm doing my no grocery shop challenge that I decided on the live video will go all the way till spring, because why not? I'll do some live videos to update you there on some of the food and things I'm eating. Let's spread you around. Wow, listen to you. I have to go inside, don't I? Camera's probably gonna die anyways. So I'm grateful for the lessons. I'm grateful for the challenges. I'm grateful that everybody has exposed themselves for exactly who they are. I'm grateful my fermented foods keep everybody happy and healthy. Maybe I'm not happy. Just just kidding. Look at all these new blooms coming up. Definitely grateful. Grateful I finally got some wall in here and I'm able to look at this, all this abundance in here this time of year. Yep. Grateful to have food for the goats so I don't have to pick their food every single day if I don't want, especially in the cold. Yeah. Grateful the greenhouse is still standing. Not bad for my second building project. Oh, wait. I might have got a new car. Definitely grateful for that. And as luck would have it, right after that comes home, then the other car that nobody could fix for 3 years will also be coming home. So I'll just have a whole fleet. Nothing wrong with that, I guess. Look at all that sage still going strong. Been picking the loofahs. Lavenders are still going. Of course I am covering them up at night and harvesting. Lots of greens. Oh man, the kale and sage over there is insane. Still got lots of sunchokes over there. Speaking of which, I have to show you. It's just absolutely ridiculous how many I picked up. Oh, wait, I put a little video on the channel about the first little corner I harvested from. These kale plants have been here two and a half years or something. I think they stay for the view. But yeah, let's see if the camera's not going to die. It probably will. It looks like it's going to die in like less than a minute. Hey, kitties. So I'll rush back as fast as I can. And yeah. Artichokes, Jerusalem artichokes, all the fun stuff. The last video, I think I figured out how to not get deleted on YouTube. And I guess if you just call it delusional, then they can't argue. So there's no reason to erase me, right? So that was from a talk I did recently. I forget what I was gonna show in here, but anyways, if you go to Twitter, find out the recipe for the best crackers in the world, and I am sure